Hi, and welcome to this talking head video. Now, I know that we just had a talking head video not too long ago, but this one is very special because it is a big announcement that I am actually announcing, and that is the launch of the Jacked Programmer merchandise and website. So let me actually show you guys what that looks like. So it will be accessible at jackedprogrammer.ca. The links are going to be in the description below and also on the YouTube channel page. From now on, it'll always be in the description of all the videos. Now, on this, you guys can purchase, if you guys want to. There is a coffee mug right now, a hoodie, a t-shirt, and a protein shaker cup, or just a shaker cup. If you don't drink protein, you could make water or fruit smoothies or anything like that. You could put any type of drink in there with the Jacked Programmer name on it. So I'm launching this. This is something that I actually got as a gift from my partner for Christmas, which was just like an amazing gift because this is something that I've wanted to make for my community for a very long time. So I thank her a bunch for making this for me. So hopefully you guys, if you guys want to support the channel, please feel free to visit the website and buy some merchandise. I'm actually wearing the hoodie right now. I actually really like the feel of it, and that's not just a biased opinion. I kind of live in hoodies, as a lot of us probably do as well. It's very comfortable. It does fit appropriately to size. So I got a large, and also on the back, as you will see, there is the Jacked Programmer on the back, and you will see that on the actual, if you hover over the images, you're going to get that as well. The mug is just your standard coffee mug with some little bit of code on there as just kind of the Jacked Programmer theme. And there is a shaker cup, as I mentioned, with the Jacked Programmer name on it. One thing that I would want to mention, and it is also in the description of the shaker cup is not dishwasher safe. Figure I would just come and put that in the video as well. Just this way you guys know if you guys put it in the dishwasher, the design does come off. But it is very easy to hand wash. The t-shirt and the hoodie are very similar. They'll have the little Jacked Programmer ensemble on the front and the Jacked Programmer on the back. All of these will technically go right back into the channel to be able to make you guys more content. So I just thank you guys again. We're at just over 19,000 subscribers. Having merchandise and having even more than 1,000 subscribers was never the plan for me when I first started this. So this is awesome. This is just making dreams pretty much come true, dreams that I didn't even know that I had. So thank you guys again for being a part of that community. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching the videos, leaving comments on what you guys want to see. And that brings me back a little bit to the talking head video as well, which we'll get to in just a moment. But just one more thing with the different products. So if you do buy more than one product, currently because this is so new, I'm trying to work with different suppliers. All of these will probably ship separately for you. So there will be, you might get one item ahead of the other. And most of these ship from United States, even though I am Canadian. A lot of the suppliers are just American. I tried to pick Canadian suppliers, especially for my Canadian viewers, to avoid the tariffs and duties. But unfortunately, I'm limited to what suppliers are out there to be able to provide good quality material and good quality products at a affordable price. If you guys would like to see a specific merchandise that maybe isn't here, like baseball caps or something, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to actually come out with merchandise that you guys would want to wear. But for now, this is what I have, and I really enjoy. There's a lot of different colors and sizes. Once you click on them, you'll see them. Again, the sizes are kind of limited based on what is available from the supplier at the time. But there should be quite a lot for you guys to choose from. Now let's get into the talking head portion of the video. we're just going to keep it like this anyways. But that is, I have a big announcement for the next series. This has been something that a lot of you guys have asked for in the past, and that is Microsoft Graph. I know that I've mentioned it in previous videos, but starting next week, those videos are going to be coming out. So we are going to be working with Microsoft Graph API. I'm going to be going over what is Microsoft Graph if you haven't heard of it before. I'll be giving a full breakdown of what it is, how to configure it, and we're going to be looking at managing Entra ID, which is also can be known as Azure Active Directory. With Graph, we will also be looking at managing Defender or Microsoft Defender with Graph, as well as Microsoft Graph pretty much ties into anything Microsoft Azure and Microsoft 365. You could pretty much do a bunch of it with Graph APIs. Now, because our channel always uses PowerShell, of course, I'm going to be demonstrating it with PowerShell, but I will not be using the PowerShell module for Graph. I will be using all of the actual API routes using the invoke REST methods commandlet. This way, it is more similar to if you were going to also just watch these videos and maybe want to go ahead and program something in Graph with Python or C#. It'll be a lot similar. And I personally prefer using the invoke REST method commandlet over using the Graph module. Although the Graph module is really good, it does often lack certain commands, in which case you still need to use the actual API routes themselves. Or sometimes I've noticed a lot of times you'll go to do something and it'll need to be updated, and then there's a lot of breaks that happen. So I will be showing you guys how to do all the Graph API commands through that invoke REST method and not the actual module, because if it was just the module, it would be very easy to just make it one video and then it would just be all the different command lists that you guys can use. But I do believe that there is a very big benefit to actually just calling the routes yourselves, making your own module, making your own functions. This way, it does exactly what you expect it to do in the output that you actually want as well. And again, as I mentioned a bit earlier, we reached over 19,000 subscribers. So again, it is just amazing the growth that we are experiencing. And I just can't thank every single one of you enough for that. So I really wanted to come out with this series, and hopefully a lot of you guys will be able to enjoy it. A lot of it will be able to go into your work environments, and actually they will benefit from this as well. But also, if you have a home lab and you have a Microsoft 365 or Azure dev tenant, you can actually play around with this Graph at that point and be able to use that. So we'll be creating Graph applications. We will be creating, modifying users, getting user info. For Defender, we'll be adding indicators, which will then be more for your web content filtering, blocking files, allowing files, a bunch of different stuff like that. And of course, as always, if you have anything that you would like to be done specifically with the Graph API, please let me know in the comment section down below of this video, as well as any future videos or any previous videos. Please let me know what you guys actually want to see, and I will definitely be making a video for you guys, especially when it comes to the Graph API. So I feel like there's just so much that you can do, and I don't find that there is a whole lot of videos and a whole lot of documentation on there, how people show you how to use it properly without any kind of ambiguity. So hopefully I will be able to provide that video series for you guys where there will not be any ambiguity, and you guys will be rocking with Graph in no time. Once again, I thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Also, be sure to hit that notification bell. And also be sure to look in that description and check out the jackedprogrammer.ca, or just head over there and in the URL, type in jackedprogrammer.ca and check out my store if you would like to support the channel some more. Thank you guys. Have yourselves a great day, and I will see you guys on the next video.